Welcome to Oiling Down with Tammy and Danielle.
So what's the name of your show?
Two Oiled Ladies.
Hey everybody, welcome to our EO show. My name is Tammy Boyd. I am a health and wellness coach. I'm also a registered nurse. You can find me at Tammy D Wellness. I love all things health. I love to teach people about living healthy, eating healthy. That's a big passion of mine. And I love talking to people about essential oils and how they can use them in their everyday life. This is my co-host Danielle.
Hi, I'm Danielle Roberts. I'm a health and wellness coach as well. I have 4 awesome kids, and health has been something that has been a journey for me, but is something that I'm very passionate about as well.
Awesome. We hope you enjoy the show today. So we're going to start with this immune bomb. So Danielle, do you want to talk about what oils are in this?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
So in our immune bomb, we're going to use copaiba, we're going to use frankincense, oregano, on guard, lemon, and melissa.
Awesome.
I'm going to start off talking about lemon because lemon is an oil I use every day. It's amazing for detoxing. It's great for blemishes. I have a friend that swears by it for
cool. I didn't
all
know
things
that.
acne.
Awesome.
Yeah. And really, it's funny, you guys, because you can use all of these oils for so many things. We could be here all night, which we won't be, which leads us to getting a good resource. Go ahead,
Essential
Tammy,
Life book. This is really cool. There's also the Modern Essentials. It goes through every single oil. It's not doTERRA specific. It's very generic. Just talks about every single oil blend, and what they're used for. So I know lemon's very cleansing as well. Like you said, detoxifying.
Yes.
It's awesome.
Yes. So that's detoxifying. It also smells amazing. On guard, this is, I was going to say, our most important oil in this blend. On guard is great for all things cold and flu related. Great for supporting you at those times when you're feeling icky, like from the time that you just feel that little scratchiness in your throat all the way through if you start getting sick on down. It's got an amazing scent. It's clove and orange and all that good fall smelling
It's a very
stuff.
wintry
We're also going to use this in our mocktail at the end of the show. But that is really the most important one, I think, in our blend. Oregano is the next one that goes into our blend. It's great during those times when you're feeling just run down, weary, achy. You want to talk about oregano a little bit?
Yes. I laughed because I was thinking about my husband when he puts it on his big toe sometimes when he has issues with nail issues.
See, now we're gonna be
and you put a drop of oregano on it, really helps. But he always says, I smell like a pizza joint in here. Anyway, because you can cook with it, obviously. But oregano is a hot oil. It's very you got to be careful if you put this directly on your skin. It's causes, it can burn. You want to dilute it, which we're going to dilute it today when we make our immune bomb. But you said, it's just for all things seasonal, all those symptoms that you feel. It's just a very, very good protection oil and boosts your immune system a ton. Awesome.
Frankincense. Frankincense is my very favorite oil.
Me too.
It reminds me of being a kid. Because I grew up in the Catholic Church a little bit, and I love. I have good memories of that.
That's cool. Some people don't.
No, you're right. Lots of people don't. I always tell people that frankincense. If you know nothing about oils and you get one oil, to get frankincense because it's literally used for just about everything. It's the healing oil. It's the oil of truth. And can really be used for skin not sensitivities, but skin issues. It can be used for immunity, help to boost and support your immunity. It can be used for different digestive issues. Just about every body system can be benefited with frankincense.
And it boosts other oils too, right? So that's kind of why we're putting it in this, because it will boost the properties of the other oils, which is awesome.
Yes. as well as copaiba, our next oil.
Our new one.
So this is our newest oil, and copaiba, much like CBD oil, works on the CB2 receptors. Am I correct?
You are.
So it can do just about, well, it can do everything that CBD oil can do and more.
Yeah, really. It's pretty amazing,
you guys. This is an amazing oil. It can be used for, just like frankincense, for almost every system in the body to help support things like when you have a kid that's not focusing. It's great for that. My daughter is actually taking this every single day. We put a few droplets in a veggie capsule, and she takes that every morning, and it has really been helping her. Like, I can't even believe the difference in her with that one. So that's
great.
That's going to be
I've
part
heard
of our
miracle stories about copaiba lately.
It's great. And then, do you want to talk about our last oil?
Melissa, which you probably actually know more about Melissa than me, because I know you've been using Melissa for a lot longer than me. I just want to smell it again. It's very...
Right, we're not talking about scents,
I
which
know.
is hard on camera. We need
It is hard. We smell-o-vision. It's very flowery.
It is very flowery.
But it's another one that's just really awesome for immune properties, right?
Yeah.
It just really boosts your immune system, really helps your body fight off those things seasonally. Very much protected.
Yeah. If you want to know more about any of these oils, you can really click on the link below our videos and message either one of us, and we can really go into detail a little bit more about what a lot of these oils do.
Awesome. So we're going to make today an immune balm, and what that is I just brought a bunch of different colors out. This is the roller bottles that I recommend. Are these the same ones that you guys that you use?
I love them.
These are from the Root and the Petal. You can get them on Amazon, or you can go to their website. We'll put the link in there as well for these. They're so pretty. They've got all these colorful caps. You can actually buy just a package of lids. Did you know that?
Yes.
You could just buy the lids?
Yeah.
So cool.
And they have the pastels or like primary colors.
Yeah, so you can, and I think I used all the primary colors. I have a few boxes of these.
I use so many of them.
Yeah, I know. So what color do we want to use for today?
What reminds you of health and staying well? Let's use, I think green.
I think the green one too. I like
for
that.
staying healthy.
So how many drops of each should we put in?
I think, so you guys, one thing to know about oils is that you don't need a ton. You need, a lot of people will, in their diffusers, start using like 12, 20 drops in their diffusers, and you don't need that many.
And that's something to say about the quality of the essential oil too, because if you're just going into Walmart and buying essential oil at Walmart or at Bed Bath & Beyond, you would probably have to use that many.
Yes, you would.
And I wouldn't even.
Because it would mostly not be oil.
Exactly. So you want to make sure you've got a very high quality oil, which is why we both back doTERRA oils, because they're pure. They do third-party testing, so you always know what if it says lemon, it's really lemon. So you want to make sure that you have a really high quality oil.
Yeah, in lemon, I think there's something like 58 lemons that they use just the rind from in each 15 milliliter bottle.
Awesome. So how many drops? What do we do? Let's get started.
I say we use 8 to 10 of each.
Okay, so which is pretty powerful actually.
Yeah, that is very powerful. And even less would be okay too, but
make a really good one.
Let's say everybody in your family's sick. Let's make this strong.
So would you do that same amount of like the frankincense?
Probably not of frankincense, copaiba and Melissa. No. I would use fewer of those.
I would agree. So I think what you said, 8 to 10 of the lemon, on guard, and oregano, but then maybe less of these. One thing is, Melissa's very expensive.
Yes.
One thing.
Melissa's are most expensive oil.
I try to let that one really last a long time. And plus, these are so boosting that I think a little bit goes a long way with those.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
So do you want me to do?
Sure.
Okay. So all you're going to do is you're just going to literally put your 8 to 10, 2, 3, 4. Maybe one more. Okay. So as you can see, lemon pours right out of there.
Right.
They're actually they're all different viscosity or thickness.
Yes.
So you're going to notice that, and let the drop come as it will.
Yeah. Don't shake your bottle.
Don't shake your
Just
bottle.
let it come out.
Don't shake your bottle.
How many did you put? of lemon?
8, but maybe
8.
10.
This
I
is
think
on
10's
guard.
enough.
This is a potent one. I'm going to put 5. And there is frankincense in On Guard, isn't there?
Is there? I forgot.
Well, let's check. And I don't have glasses on, so.
You find out.
How about
glasses? Do we have glasses? Someone? Anyone? We could have some glasses. That'd be awesome. And I'm
You-
gonna do the
you're looking
oregano
at
while
me
you're
like I'm
looking.
crazy, and
Am I doing
there's
8 of-
not.
Am I doing 8 of
There's not.
oregano?
That's probably a lot. We don't want it to smell like oregano.
Not those kind of glasses.
What? What are we making?
All right, I'm gonna do 4.
Well,
Okay, so
not
we
so
did,
tough.
so far we did 10 of lemon, 5 on guard,
Yes.
and I did 4 oregano.
Yeah. You don't want this to smell oregano-y. Because your kids, if you want to put this on your kids,
Yeah.
they're
I'm gonna
not
do,
love it.
how much frankincense? 2?
Let's say 2. Now you guys,
Frankincense is-
essential oils can penetrate your cells in 30 seconds.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Can I
Copaiba?
say that antibiotics can't do that?
Mhm.
Antibiotics cannot do that.
You
Oils
can.
can, and they're natural. They're not made in a factory somewhere.
Yeah, antibiotics live outside of your cell. That's why they only kill bacteria, whereas essential oils can penetrate the cells. So they can
Right.
get inside the cells, which is where viruses live. We don't have any medications
So
to
they
take
can
care
support
of viruses.
your whole body.
I'm
in
only
30
going to do
seconds.
one of Melissa's. Is that all right?
Yes.
Okay, it's really expensive. Did I say that already? Okay. All right, so you've got, so that's all of the oil. And then all you're going to do,
Add a carrier oil.
add a carrier oil. Fractionated coconut oil is a really good one.
And
so you just-
fractionated means it's kept liquid all the time.
Yeah, it's just, it gives it a longer shelf life. So you're literally gonna just top it off with your oil, and then you're gonna put your roller ball on, and this is a glass, it's frosted glass. People think that's plastic, and I know the company has had to do some education on that, but it is not. It is actually a glass roller, which is why we like them. You want the glass rollers. And then you're ready to go. So I'm just gonna give it a little,
And then we should have brought them, but we both carry lots of stickers, so you'd want to
Oh,
put
yeah.
what you have in your roller bottle, the little stickers of each oil on there, so you can remember.
and where are you gonna put that?
Um,
You demonstrate where to put it.
So I put oils. You can put them on your wrists. You can put them on your neck. The back of your neck is great, up and down your spine, especially for
really
your kids.
good. Yep, for kids.
And the bottom of your feet has the biggest pores, so it's the easiest way to get these oils like to where they need to go.
Awesome.
So it smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
It smells a lot like frankincense.
Oh, does it? I only put 2 in there.
See, and that's what I smell.
I smell Melissa.
And we have totally different scents.
I put 1 drop of Melissa in there, and that's all I smell.
Really?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? Let me smell
pretty.
Melissa.
Awesome. I think we should make a cocktail with On Guard. Not a
Let's
mocktail.
do- Oh, a
Let's do a
cocktail,
cocktail.
right. We're not going to do a mocktail today. Let's do a cocktail.
Let's do a cocktail.
So let's do...
Because when you think about getting sick, if you ever hear about grandmothers serving up hot toddies, right?
Yeah.
I think that'd be awesome.
That's awesome. Let's do it.
I don't have any whiskey here, though. I got the honey. What else do we need? Lemon.
Garçon, our whiskey.
So we're gonna make a hot toddy. Did everybody's grandma used to do that when you were sick? You'd make a hot toddy, and what did that have in it?
I think it had tea
Yeah.
and whiskey,
Yeah.
and we can use some essential oils.
Yeah, I think
so-
lemon would be really good.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah.
And that'll go well with what we're talking about. Some
So-
honey to sweeten it.
Yeah.
And but we need our tea. Do we have tea? Where's our tea, guys?
Tea, please. Thank you.
Awesome. We have our tea. I think we made ginger tea, but you could do any kind of tea. Chamomile would be good, especially if you're gonna have it before bed.
Yes.
But obviously we need whiskey. I didn't bring the whiskey out. Shoot. Do we have any whiskey?
Maybe we have some.
Oh, look at you. She travels with whiskey.
Here it is.
All right, so you're gonna do a little whiskey in there. I'll start the honey while you're doing that. I use a raw, and I try to use a local honey.
About a shot, you guys.
And I know
Not
this
too
isn't
much.
vegan.
Not too much.
I know this isn't vegan, and I said I was. I'm vegan except for honey, but I only use raw honey, local.
But what about the bees?
Like I said, it has to be local honey with that I feel good about where the bees are kept in. That's like a whole nother episode,
That
right?
is.
All right,
We will
so-
do lots of episodes
So
on all these things.
and I'm gonna just do. I think I'm just gonna do 1 drop of lemon. Oh, and then duh,
And then On Guard.
because that's what we want. So On Guard has the cinnamon and the clove and the orange.
Yes.
What else? Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Eucalyptus.
Yeah.
So you have to put that in your hot toddy. That's gonna be so
and this
healing
is still
and
going to be
protecting.
immune boosting.
Yeah, and if it's no longer you always
1
want to
drop.
boost your immune system, but if those symptoms catch you and you're really down and out, drink this tea every night before bed.
Yes.
I love our little mugs. I'm gonna try it.
Oh God, it smells so good. I just want to smell it.
It smells so good. It's super strong. Woo! Mine is strong. Is yours?
Oh no, never.
It's good.
I may have just put too much in yours.
I'm like breathing in the eucalyptus.
It's the eucalyptus.
So
That's
good.
why it seems strong. It's the eucalyptus.
It's so good. So here's to
Woo!
yourself, Danielle.
Yeah.
I hope you don't get any more. Well, you haven't gotten sick.
I haven't been
We
sick
had one
since
round of it.
2 Thanksgivings ago.
Oh, keep it going.
The
Keep it going
oils.
with your hot toddies. Thanks everybody for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it. See you
Bye,
next
guys.
time.
Oh my goil! Oregano is great during the oh my God! Look at our cue cards, Tammy.